Today, I will be talking about the invention and protocol surrounding the World Wide Web and its creation. The World Wide Web was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1983. Berners-Lee is a brilliant British scientist graduating from Oxford University who created the World Wide Web while working at a lab called CERN. Berners-Lee was the son of two early computer scientists, which may explain his brilliant expertise in the field of computer science. His parents were some of the first people to ever work on computers. The World Wide Web was originally created to accommodate the need for fast information sharing between scientists at different universities and labs scattered around the world. They needed a way to access the use of research and to access the words of other people's research so that they could further their own work in their fields. They needed to be able to cross-reference and look at other people's work and use their research to add to their theses and everything that could create, better working faster for their research. The software that we know for the public domain was released to the public in 1993, which ushered in the digital age and led to the huge sensation that is the internet today. Something that I'm sure almost everyone in the United States uses daily and will use daily for the foreseeable future. Tim Berners-Lee also created two of the most commonly used protocol in the World Wide Web, HTML and HTTP. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a computer language that is primarily used for web page creation. The HTML allows a website creator to decide how the web page looks, what it says, links added, paragraphs, windows, everything like that. They can decide the color, the text font, everything needed to create a website is through the HTML computer language. HTML also allows for anyone on the internet to view this website in the way that it's supposed to through the coding process. However, you can go in by looking and you can look at all their coding in the HTML if you want to look at that. HTTP, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is used to relay information in the World Wide Web. One common use of HTTP can be found when accessing websites. For example, when you try to get to YouTube, the correct search and domain for YouTube would be http://www.youtube.com. So that is my presentation on the life and work of Tim Berners-Lee, a truly remarkable person who created the most used source of information retrieval ever known to man, as well as a foundational protocol surrounding it, HTML and HTTP. So next time you sit down to Google something or looking to make sure that you think about this great man and his massive invention.